If you've ever felt like your body is stuck in a perpetual state of stiffness, you're not alone. Maybe it's the constant sitting at a desk, the long hours spent driving, or just the effects of getting older. Whatever the cause, tight muscles and limited flexibility can make daily activities like bending over to tie your shoes or reaching for something on a high shelf feel like a major challenge. But here's the good news: you don't need to spend hours in a gym or take expensive yoga classes to improve your flexibility. In fact, a few simple stretching exercises can deliver noticeable results in just minutes a day. The problem? Limited flexibility and its impact. Tight muscles and poor flexibility are more than just uncomfortable, they can actually hinder your quality of life. When your body isn't flexible, you're at a higher risk for injury, limited range of motion, and even back pain. And if you've ever had those tight hamstrings or sore shoulders that just won't seem to loosen up, you know how frustrating it can be. The challenge, making time for flexibility. The real challenge is carving out the time to work on your flexibility. With busy schedules and endless to-do lists, most people put stretching on the back burner. But the truth is, a few minutes of dedicated stretching can yield real results. Flexibility isn't just a luxury, it's an essential part of overall health. So, how do you get started? The solution: simple stretching exercises that work. I'm here to share the secret, these quick and easy stretches that will boost your flexibility in no time. You don't need to be a gymnast to benefit from these moves, just follow these simple steps, and you'll feel more flexible and mobile than ever before. Standing forward, fold hamstring stretch. Stand with your feet hip-width apart, gently bend forward from the hips, and let your upper body hang. Reach for your toes or just let your hands rest on your shins. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat. This one stretches your hamstrings, lower back, and even your calves. Cat-cow stretch, spinal flexion and extension. Get on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, cow pose, and exhale as you rounded cat pose. This stretch helps increase flexibility in your spine and relieves tension in your back. Seated spinal twist, lower back stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. Cross your right leg over your left knee and twist your torso to the right. Hold for 20-30 seconds and repeat on the other side. This targets your lower back and helps increase your range of motion. Quad stretch, hip flexor stretch. Stand tall and grab your ankle to pull your heel toward your glutes. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. This stretches your quadriceps and hip flexors, areas that tend to get tight from prolonged sitting.